Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a cute little dog together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the outline of the head by starting from the ear with an elongated letter U. Then, a small curved line and draw the other ear with another elongated letter U. Draw a semicircle for the face. Now, draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw the triangular nose and 2 semicircles for the mouth. Draw a semicircle for the tongue and a vertical line inside it. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw 2 lines for the body starting from the neck. Draw the first front paw and 2 lines for the toes. Then draw the second paw. Now draw the hind paw with the shape of a reflected letter C, and then draw the other paw. Draw a small line between the paws and draw the feet. Now draw the tail. Wow! Our doggy turned out great! Good job! Now let's state the colors. Use black for the eyes and nose. use red for the tongue. And orange for the head, body, legs and tail. Excellent! Our dog is ready to run free on the lawns. Goodbye friends, see you soon!